Very good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning. We are all gathered here to have a group discussion today. I hope you all know that. We're going to see if there are any differences in advertising strategy, for any product which is an international product being sold in different countries, to see if there is any difference in the advertising strategy. Okay. So which products have we seen today?
Coke and Pepsi.
Great. Coke and Pepsi, the rival companies, right? Coke and Pepsi. Great. So, which countries are we discussing today?
UK, US, and India.
Come again. Will somebody just say that again for me?
UK, USA, and India.
Alright. So that's the three countries: the UK, USA, and India. So I hope all of you have watched the videos to be able to start your discussion today.
Yes.
Alright. Great. The floor is open, so you can start. Have a great discussion.
First of all, in the Coke and Pepsi ads, wherever we go, the regional countries have certain languages. So the people who make the advertisements try to use the languages which the citizens of that country use.
And in most of the ads in India, the regional celebrities who are much more famous advertise that product so that the public is attracted to buy that product.
Even the jingles and captions used in the ads are different.
Okay. Can you give us an example?
Example, in India, Pepsi changed the game.
Right.
US it's like something else.
Okay. Alright.
And for Coke, there is share.
Yeah.
Share the
Share.
happiness.
India Pepsi is Abadlega, that means change.
Hum badlega with you.
Language
But it's in
is-
Hindi.
That's
The mode of communication.
that means
Okay. Alright. We talked about language. Any other point here?
Even the theme changes.
The theme changes.
Theme of the ad.
Like in India, the Pepsi ad, wherever we go, the Pepsi ads are all about sports. But the Coke ads are about like sharing happiness everywhere.
they are about social awareness.
Social awareness.
Alright. Okay.
And in India, the advertisements attract children much more than adults.
Would you be able to elaborate as to why? Why do you
Because
say that?
because they make the advertisements child friendly, so the child perceive the parents to buy the product.
I don't get it.
Do we all agree to that?
Yes.
Do you think children have a lot of influence on the buying behavior?
Yes.
Great. Any other one?
Even the mode of channels, like in India, the Pepsi ad can be telecasting one channel. They
Okay.
won't like be same another. That's very easy.
You mean to say in foreign countries,
Yeah.
the other countries, they will advertise only in one channel
No,
and not in others?
But different from Indian channels.
Yes, the channels will be different for
Yes.
them. Yes. I have a feeling we don't have the same channels all throughout the country. There are few which are common, but yeah, I don't think the others. We have regional channels as well. Okay, point taken.
And the number of celebrities used in Indian ads are much more than the number of celebrities used in other countries.
Okay, all right.
In India, the ads are taken about what's happening in the
Current
current
affairs.
affairs. And
Okay.
the other countries might not do that.
Okay, so what do they emphasize on, if not the current affairs?
They
The
must-
ads are, they are fun, kind of.
Funny. Okay, which country did you find the most funny? Yes, Leora. You were saying
That's what the
funny ads.
ads were funny.
Which country did you find most funniest? UK ads are more funnier. Okay. Yes. Any other points?
The difference of advertising, the rules and regulations.
Rules and regulations.
Okay. Yes.
The laws of advertising.
Right.
Make and make. They are
They are different, right? So can you give us an example?
We can compare product.
Directly.
Yeah,
In
directly
other
in
countries.
other
But
countries.
in India, we are not allowed to compare directly.
Yeah.
The laws don't allow Indian companies to directly compare or put down another company
Yes.
or another product in an advertisement, right? So which ad or which country do you see the most where the comparison is done?
USA and
In USA, you see a lot of comparison, like the Coke versus Pepsi. You have
is the largest.
yes, so there is a clear comparison of that. Yes.
And jingles and ads are also so good that people
Remember.
recall it every time.
Okay.
So,
So jingles is a big factor. Yes. In which country? Again?
India.
In India.
India. Right. And it's very musical, don't you think so?
Yeah.
Most of the jingles, I mean, even the slogan, it comes in a very musical way, so you remember.
Ma'am, the captions recently very changed a lot in India.
And the captions change very frequently. Okay, they don't retain the old captions, they keep innovating and getting new captions. Okay, good. Good.
Most of the times when children goes to supermarkets, they want to buy Pepsi, they remember that ad.
And why is that? Can you just name the slogan or sing it out for us?
Now don't remember that.
Okay, alright. So, but you think the children remember
Yes,
Pepsi better than Coke?
they remember both.
They remember both, but they prefer Pepsi. you say. Right. So, did we talk about graphics?
No.
Did we talk about graphics?
Yes.
Have you seen any difference in graphics? Because we are talking about graphic designing and how important graphics can be in advertising.
in India, much of graphics are not
Not
used because people are not much
Interesting.
Much
about
into
it.
technology. India, they want real,
Like what's
they want to see
happening
the
right?
real thing.
And
what
what
are
are
the
the
normalized?
Okay?
In other countries, people are very interested about those graphics and they're attracting people much.
Yes. Okay, Sadhya, do you have any point? What about graphics? What do you think? Which country uses more of graphics? Does India use graphics? More of graphics?
I think yes.
They do? They use graphics. Okay. Not sure. Any other point that you would like to tell us? There is a difference between the advertising strategy in the different countries for the same product. Not sure? Okay. Alright, so Sam, are we closing the discussion now?
Yes.
Can someone sum it up, please, for us?
The differences between Indian, UK and US ads. Mode of communication.
Okay. Which means the language?
Yeah, the language.
Okay.
Mode of channels.
Different channels.
Different channels.
Channels, by channels do you mean the different media through which advertising is done, like the print
Yeah.
media?
Newspapers.
Right.
Newspapers.
Is it different? I mean, if you take the case of Coke and Pepsi, what do you want to say? Do you want to say that they are advertised more through the visual media or is it through print media?
No, actually in TV also there are different channels for different languages and different countries. So it matters over there.
But
Right.
comparatively, it's in visual. Visual.
More of visual.
Visual.
Okay.
Types of people.
So
Target.
Celebrity stars.
All right.
Jingles and captions.
Customized.
Customers.
Okay.
The theme of ad.
The theme of the ad. All right.
Principles of advertising.
Okay.
Who they want to target
Yeah.
most and want to sell their product most, like teenagers.
Okay. Right. So do we all agree now that the advertising does differ
Yes.
in different countries
Yes.
for the same product?
Yes.
So the product is the same, but it will differ.
Yes.
So there is a standard component which will be standard all across because the product is the same, whereas there will be certain other components which are variable, which has to be customized to that particular country. Yes, we agree on this? All of us?